everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a fashion reseller over on Poshmark. So as you read in the description, today's video is going to be a mystery unboxing. They are my favorite to do. I love mystery unboxings. They are just so fun. And the girl that I purchased from is a reseller over on Poshmark. I found her over on Instagram, and I'm going to pop up on the screen her Instagram and then also her Poshmark so that way you know what to look for. She's on Instagram as the Reseller Mom Show. She actually has a YouTube channel as well, and she interviews other resellers and puts them on her YouTube channel. I actually have an interview with her in March, so be looking for that video. I'm really excited to be doing that with her. But her name is Rebecca, and as I said earlier, she's on Instagram at the Reseller Mom Show. She posts videos very, very often, and I happened to see where she is selling reseller boxes, and I love finding new ways to source items. I don't live in a big city, and finding items that are worth reselling are very hard to come by in my area. So when I saw that she was doing that, I reached out and asked if she would be okay if I did a video. That being said, yes, she did know I was going to be doing an unboxing. Just take that information how you will, but I will say she shipped extremely fast. Like, I'm talking the same day. She shipped it either that same day or early the next day. So honestly, she didn't have time to curate a box for me, so it's just something she happened to have. I know some people are like, well, you know, if the person knew that you're going to be doing a review on them on your YouTube channel, they're going to send you better stuff, which is totally true. But I think in her defense, you know, she shipped it so quickly, there's no way she picked out certain items for this box. So here she is. She is on Poshmark, the same Reseller Mom Show. So there's no "the," it's just Reseller Mom Show. And if you look on her page, you can see she has many, many boxes. Let's see, she has tops only, surprise me, plus size only, new with tag boutique, men's tops. She has tons and tons of these boxes, guys. So if you're looking for inventory to be the easiest way and possibly one of the cheaper ways to find it, definitely check her out. So the one that I got was the Surprise Me Reseller Inventory Box. It says that you'll have at least 6 items in this box, and it is $35. She has some pictures of some of the boxes and brands that she normally has. Looks like a lot of them are new with tag. I know in one of her videos she did say she includes at least one new with tag item in these boxes. It says you'll have at least 6 items, maximum of 5 pounds, at least one new with tag, and excellent pre-owned condition. Maybe tops, dresses, shorts, pants, jeans, or skirts. So I'm really excited to go ahead and hop in and do this. I will say it was raining outside, so the box looks a little bit damaged, but it's just because it's raining. Like, she put like a little thank you thing on there. It's on this side. Ooh, it's on this side as well. I've already opened it just so I didn't have to fool with that on camera, but I have not looked. So this is the medium, I believe, priority mail flat rate box. Oh, it's a large, and it says it'll be right at 5 pounds, which is the most that you can put. Okay, this is cute. All right, so I'm going to show you how she has it packed. So she has it all packed together, tied with ribbon, and it says thank you. Just a nice little thank you note, and that's it. That's all that's in the box. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. So this looks like something that is new. Obviously, it's new and it's still in the packaging. It's the packaging that actually came from the store because it has the UPC here, but I can open it. It's just got some tape. I'll probably honestly take it out anyway. And there are pants by this brand here, Yummy by Heather Thompson. I do not know this brand, but I do like new with tag. It is an extra small. Now that is a hard size to sell on Poshmark. Oh, there's 2. Wow, okay. This is what I'm seeing when I opened it up. There's 2 leggings. So it looks like brown and black. Well, that is a surprise. Was not expecting for there to be 2. So that's good. They are like kind of a boot cut leg at the bottom. They kind of remind me of like yoga pants. Let's see if it happens to say compact cotton bootleg and legging 2-pack. Okay, so one of them is a legging. Oh, yes. the black is a legging. That's different. I am going to have to do my research because I don't know this company, but that's awesome that there's two. And as I was saying, extra small isn't impossible to sell on Poshmark. It's just as resellers, we know that certain sizes do a little bit better than others on Poshmark. So, but considering it's new with tag and there's two of them, that's really awesome. So I'm excited to look that up. All right, so next we have some kind of sheer top, I think. All right, the brand is Parker. Ugh, I don't know this brand either. See, that's what's good about these boxes is I get items that I don't know and I have to do my research, and then I find out if items are good, decent, you know, how much they'll sell for, and I just love that part about reselling. I love doing the research and figuring out if something is worth it or not. So there's the tag, Parker. Hopefully you guys can see that. It is a small. Looks like a tank with the cold shoulder cut out. Oh, it has this real cute little shoulder ruffle. That's cute. It is sheer, but it is lined. And I just wish that I knew this brand. Please comment below if you know. It just says it's made in New York, 100% polyester and dry clean only. Usually items that are dry clean only are usually higher end. So, I mean, I could be wrong about this, but yeah, super, super cute. I can't wait to put that on the mannequin and photograph that because the cold shoulder is really, really cute. All right, so next we have white, something white. And here we go. Haven't looked at the brand. It is large, a larger size, so that's good. I can tell. High-low hem, exposed hem. All right, it's Free People. I have not seen this tag before, so this is cool. Size medium, so it's definitely an oversized. But let me show you this tag. So Free People has a variety of tags, and sometimes it's just newer and older, and that's why it looks different. But I have yet to see that tag, so that is cool. So it's just an oversized tee. It's something you could wear with leggings, has a high-low hem, and it is kind of a raw exposed hem. There's a laser cut detail around the neckline, and then the front has just a lace accent. So this is really super pretty. Not cap sleeve, but not a tank either, so kind of in between there. That's really, really pretty. I'll have to try to find a good stock photo for that, for it to photograph well. Next, we have something floral, which I do love floral. Ooh, I'm excited about this. All right, here is this. This will be a great item to add for spring, and it is by Maeve, which is by, I hope that you can see that, is by Anthropologie. And it is just a floral. It could be worn probably on the shoulder, off the shoulder. Has a ruffle detail. Semi-sheer. You know, you probably have to wear a tank underneath that. But I am very happy with this. Those of you that watch my channel, you know that I love floral. I love it. I always pick up floral. All right, so it's 100% polyester. So, can't wait to get that listed for the springtime. All right. I think I know what this is. I have not opened it. It looks like a Lululemon, but it's an older tank. I could be wrong, but I think I'm right. All right, I love Lululemon. Now, these are an older style with the trim around the neckline here. However, this is a really good color. Like the ones that have the bright prints and stuff, they don't do as well, especially when they're the older one. But this is really super cute. Now, this is small. Oh, there's just a piece of dust on there. This is small. So those of you that don't know, Lululemon, the tag is usually cut out because it's this really long, annoying tag that it's itchy while you're working out and stuff like that. And so on these tops, they use the inside bra area for the size, and it's usually on the left side. So as I'm holding it up, here is the left side, my left, and on the inside, where the padding usually goes for the bra, there is this size. This is a size 4. Is a smaller size, but super cute. I'm excited about Lululemon in there because that is one thing I do not get where I live. There is a Lululemon here, however, is new, and so people just don't donate Lululemon in my area for whatever reason because they're expensive. All right, next, this feels like new with tag. What? Oh my goodness, guys, this is so pretty. Okay, So this is a gorgeous floral. She must have known that I love floral. Like, I don't know. This is stunning. It is a dress. It has a beautiful sash, ruffle. Hopefully I can pop in maybe a cover photo for you guys because this is long. This is so beautiful, and it is new. It's tagged Calvin Klein, and it retails for $160. So that is awesome. This is a size 6. That's a pretty good size, not too small. And oh, this is so beautiful. I might have to try this on. Not that I have anywhere to wear this to, and I doubt I can get into a 6, but this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. All right, next item. I kind of feel like she gave me more than 6, but I could be wrong. All right, so next is this skirt. It has this textured material. I haven't looked at the brand yet, but it's this textured material. Here's the back. It has a slit down there. Definitely like a pencil skirt, and it is by Ann Taylor. And correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know a lot about Ann Taylor, but there's 2 little dots under the name, and usually that means factory. Correct me if I'm wrong. I could be totally wrong, but it's a size 4. Let's see what it's lined. So that's nice. Let's see what the fabric content is. And of course, I can't find it. Okay, it's on the back. 100% cotton. So this is super, super nice. But let me know in the comments below about the factory thing because I'm not 100% certain on that. All right, looks like the last item is some shorts or a skirt or something. Oh, wait, they're capris. Stand corrected. Really cool print on these. These are dress capri, J. Crew size 4. So if you're size 4, I have quite a few things for you. But I do know that this is the factory. There's the 2 dots that I was talking about earlier, and that means it's from the factory. And what that means, it just means it has a lower resale value than just the regular J. Crew because the factories are generally cheaper than the regular store. But these are like new. I do not see anything wrong with them or anything. They are so pretty. So yeah, capri, kind of skinny leg. Let's see what the fabric content is. I just looked at it. 100% polyester. These are awesome. Okay, so let me count these items because I feel like that might have been more than 6. Wow, so she gave me 8 items. I really think this was worth the $35, okay? If you guys are looking for someone, I think this is perfect. I've gotten a lot of mystery boxes and I have been unhappy with them, but the dress alone, I think, will definitely make me my money back. I don't know where she got this, but this is so, so beautiful and perfect for Easter. You know, it's the perfect time to be sourcing for Easter. You know, people need nice dresses to wear to church and such for Easter, so I will get that listed as soon as possible. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you think because I think this box was amazing and I can't wait to message her. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time.